Hello everyone, and welcome to today's trading analysis on the 10th of January 2022. I thought of making a video today just because I'm not sure if I'm going to have time tomorrow, and there's quite a bit of stuff to work through. I think what's very important now is to look on the weekly scale. You can see that we are now forming a weekly 9. Now I am a candle counter, and a weekly 9 does mean it's an exhaustion candle. So we can expect either a 4-candle correction to the upside and then more downside, or this could be the reversal for the trend for complete upside. You can also see the stochastic is now at the bottom, and that we have now finally made a slightly lower low, and this lower low or double bottom is really, you can look at it as just coming to fetch the last little bit of liquidity. You can see that this is also making a hammer candle, and that hammer candle is a bullish candle in this environment. If you then go into the daily scale, you can see that this is starting to form some sort of a falling wedge. You can see it's coiling up as it's going down, with a 2 going above the 1, which would be your buy signal on the daily scale. Hopefully that would drive the price up to this area and possibly break out here, which then would give us the weekly buy signal. So I'm thinking I wanted to do this live, but I don't think this is going to be possible because this could happen anytime. This could happen tomorrow afternoon. So really, I'm going to see if I can keep the group updated on this development and a possible buying opportunity on the TD sequential method. On the 4-hour, you now have consecutive lows, with the RSI moving upwards, which is causing a bullish divergence, and that is also another bullish sign. When you look at the longs versus the shorts, you can see the shorts are still building. The shorts are completely outweighing the longs now, and a potential short squeeze can be in the making. Unfortunately, no trading signal is going to help you there, because when it happens, it's going to happen super fast. XRP on the weekly scale is in a better space. You can see that since March 2021, we've still been making higher highs, with the RSI dropping and making a humongous divergence. So from a trading perspective, XRP is actually in a better position compared to Bitcoin. On the daily scale, in a continuation triangle that could potentially break out to the upside, with the target way up there somewhere to $2.40, $2.60. On the 4-hour scale, you've got lower lows coming through with higher lows on the RSI. But then we have to go right over to the S&P. The S&P is the one that caused it all today. So the S&P opened today with a massive fall, but look at this rally, snapback rally today already. With the stochastic at the bottom and higher lows still forming, this potential of this sort of fake out and then a further rally like that is still on the cards. Looking at the US dollar is still at the same place, and although our target is still up there, it looks like it is creeping back down to this neckline, and hopefully this will give us enough momentum to actually break upwards with the crypto market. From the bot trading perspective, this has been a tough time lately. On the 30 minutes, I had to change my settings. I had to do a 50% buy when the RSI is at 30, and another 50%, the remainder when the RSI is at 20. And you can see, and also then the sell, 50% sell when the RSI is at 70, and the remainder selling at 80. So what's happened there is that you can see that it has had numerous buy signals now as the price is falling down, and it has now fully bought my position. Unfortunately, my position is in quite a negative space at the moment. But looking at this again, if I had to go over to the 4-hour, you can see that you've got this positive divergence with the price going down. Is certainly at the moment more of a buying situation than a selling situation. So we would have to see if these bots can actually get into a profitable position soon. In conclusion, I wanted to make this video this evening just to show you that it's not all doom and gloom at the moment. I think that if we can have a bit of a rally this week, and then maybe next week we can have a buy opportunity on the weekly scale, but certainly on the daily scale we could have a buying opportunity in the next day or two. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.